Hi, it's Matt from Utranazz. We get a lot of customers asking us what goes on at Utranazz HQ since we've moved on to our lovely new farm in Bicester. So we're going to give you a little tour of what goes on with our IMER products. As you can see here, we've got a lot of chassis for stock and orders, with more turning up in the next couple of weeks. And what we're going to do is we're going to go over and show you where the drums turn up, how they turn up, and the process following on from that. After a long walk up the driveway, we're finally at the drum mixers. This is how they turn up off the lorries. They're then taken over to our workshop, mounted onto the chassis, then straight into your yard and ready to make concrete. Right, what we're going to do now is we're going to go into the workshop quickly. We're going to show you where the trucks are mounted. In here we have a Renault C430 with a 9-cube IMER drum mixer on it. It is currently in the final stages of being finished, ready to go to its new home. We have Renaults in stock. They're currently priced at 147,500. We also have DAFs as well, which are 149,500. And we have Mercedes coming back into stock at 144 and 145 with mirror cam. So if you are interested in some demos, we have them available, and also we can do them for hire with option to purchase and full outright purchase. And we also have some of the best finance rates in the UK to get you into some trucks at an affordable price. If you have any requirements for any new truck mixers, please get in contact via our website or telephone number as soon as possible.